Thank you for purchasing our heel pain kit. We will show you how to use the kit and get you back on your feet in no time. We will start by grabbing the ends of the band and place on the ball of your foot. Pull your foot towards you and hold for 30 seconds. Repeat this 3 times. Best to perform first thing in the morning and one other time daily. Next, the foot roller will be placed in the freezer for a few hours. Start by placing the foot roller on the floor and roll the bottom of your foot from heel to ball of foot for 10 minutes. You will want to do this 1 to 2 times a day. Thank you for watching.